Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by inserting your active SIM and powering on the Redmi 5G. This gives you network access immediately. Once powered, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network to save mobile data and sign in with your My or Google account so settings sync. Make sure the battery is at least 20% before updating or restoring. Now tap through initial permissions quickly, but thoughtfully so essential services and location history are permitted for smoother setup and apps can update in background. Next, you go into settings to update the system and install security patches. This improves performance and 5G stability. Once done, open network settings, enable 5G, and choose preferred network mode to prioritize speed or battery life. This balances signal and power use. Make sure app auto updates are set to Wi-Fi only if you want to conserve mobile data. Then install essential apps from Play Store and grant only necessary permissions for privacy and smooth operation. To finish, personalize display brightness and refresh rate for comfort, then set battery saver and background limits to extend runtime. Configure gestures and fingerprint unlock so you navigate faster and sync accounts to backup contacts and photos. Once everything is in place, monitor signal and speed briefly. If you hit issues, no 5G or apps fail, restart the phone first. That resets modem and services. If problems persist, toggle airplane mode or reset network settings to restore connectivity quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.